Welcome to Ride Along with Brittany. Today we're driving through Kingfish Bay in Calabash, North Carolina. If you're looking for a gated coastal community with water access, resort-style amenities, and that relaxed Calabash lifestyle, this is the one you'll want to know. Kingfish Bay is located in Calabash right along the Calabash River. One of the things people like about this location is that you get that small coastal town feel, but you're still close to Sunset Beach, North Myrtle Beach, Wilmington, restaurants, shopping, golf, and of course, the water. One of the biggest features here is the connection to the water. Kingfish Bay is set along the Calabash River, and the community has waterfront amenities that make it feel very connected to coastal living. This is the kind of neighborhood that feels tucked away, but not disconnected. As we drive through, you'll notice Kingfish Bay has a very coastal, planned community feel. The homes have that relaxed Carolina look with a mix of coastal cottages, bungalows, single-family homes, and custom home opportunities depending on the section. While Kingfish Bay certainly has a theme throughout, it does not feel like a cookie-cutter neighborhood. There's a lot of attention to the landscaping, the water views, the community spaces, and the overall resort-style atmosphere. The amenities here, of course, are a big part of the appeal. Kingfish Bay has community gathering spaces, outdoor areas, and access to an Oceanfront Clubhouse on Sunset Beach. The beach club access is a major perk because you get the benefit of living in Calabash while still having a connection at the beach. This could be a good fit if you're looking for a full-time coastal home, a second home near the water, or a neighborhood that feels a little more resort style without being directly in the middle of busier beach areas. It may also appeal to buyers who want newer construction or a more planned community feel but still want the charm of Calabash close by. The best way I would describe Kingfish Bay is relaxed, coastal, polished, and lifestyle driven. It is not just about buying a home in Calabash. It is about being close to the river, close to the beach, close to restaurants, and having that everyday coastal feeling built into the neighborhood. If you want to see what is currently for sale in Kingfish Bay, comment below and I'll send you the active listings.